Good evening, colleagues. I hope you enjoy our today ZQA, and you got a lot of information, and you visit a lot of meetings, a lot of presentation, and you really enjoyed our presentation, our reporters, and you will be really glad, and you will be very enjoyable this day. So right now we suggest you some funny activities that we call quiz. That's if you took part in some activities like mozgobonia on some other activities, you understand what should be what you should do in such case. But right now I explain a little bit. You log in, and using the link you should voice for the correct answer. Answer is not really complicated. All answers simple. And I will be void with you. I hope you enjoy our quiz, and that's not the, and you will be not sad if you answer incorrect, because that's not about the knowledge, that's about the fun and about the enjoying our evening and finish our ZQA day community, ZQA day on the positive note. So. Before we start the quiz, I would like to tell you a couple of words about the community. That's pretty new community, and this community started from this only 1 year ago. And I would like to invite you to join our community. And we provided a lot of meeting, a lot of online and planning offline conference, and that's community called Proquality. I believe you will be able to present something interesting if you have some, and you will get a lot of new information, and you will meet a lot of interesting speakers in our community, interesting people. And a little spoiler, we are going to present very interesting discussion about the team composition, and is it correct or not to split the tester on the two direction, automation and manual tester, with the Sergey Pirogov. I believe you know him from his very excellent, amazing channel in YouTube and his excellent interview. So, but that will be a little future. Let's take a look on our announcement and follow our community. That on the slide you can see the information of this community on the YouTube, on the Proquality teams, and the Instagram. Please join, follow us, and I promise you will not regret, because we share with you a lot of interesting information, news, and amazing events that we are planning in the future. So also a little slide with our goals. You can read a couple of seconds, and we will start our quiz. Okay, let's start. I'm a little bit worried, because I also will vote with you using my phone, not right now, using my phone. So I'm on the same page with you, and I little bit worried because I'm very skilled person, and if I answer wrong, it will be something like broken my heart. So let's start. The first question will be. Oh, great! So funny pictures. It's so many people right now voting. It's really interesting. 20, 28, 27, 20, 29. But where is our first question? Okay, let's start. The first question, what does the letter Q stands for ISTQB? Let's, the three variants: quality, qualification, quantity, and quota. You know, it's really interesting question for me because I never passed ISTQB. Okay, time is up and we will see. Wow, guys. Ooh, a lot of people, so many people answer with the correct answer, 13 people. But you know, quality is also good. It's also very clear. I also think that's quality, but that is qualification. Sorry. Okay, let's move to the next question. Don't be sad because that's only first question and you have a chance to improve your situation. The second question. The second question will be who is responsible for quality of a product? The first, software testing engineer, developers, whole team, and BA. Oh, I know this question. I definitely should answer correct. Okay, I put my answer, and I hope you also did it. Whole team, yeah, we did it. 31 person. I believe that 3 person who got the wrong answer don't be sad because I think that is accidentally. That's not your responsibility because whole team responsible for the whole product. Okay, go next to the next question. The next question will be. Good test case is unstable, independent, uncompleted, unreadable. Definitely unreadable because we should understand time is up and we see the result. Independent, yeah, guys, it's correct answer. You are good, you work good. Unstable, yeah, sometimes it's the good decision. Sometimes when we need some draft test cases, it can be unstable also. The next question will be a little bit weird because this mentee accessibility testing refer to functional testing, performance testing, security testing, usability testing. Oh, it's a really interesting question because it can be referred with any of these choices, but I vote for this usability testing. Or yes, usability testing. I voted also the correct. I get the correct answer. Security testing, performance testing, functional testing also is great answer, but sorry, it's incorrect. And move to the next question. After this question, we will see our lead dashboard, and you can see you can validate yourself and see your result on the board. Security testing refer to usability testing, non-functional testing, performance testing, and functional testing. Oh, what's the choice? So difficult choice, because you know that sometimes security and performance testing really connected to this to each other. Okay, and time's up. Non-functional testing. Great, you guys were good. So I like how you answer. So that sometimes I have the wrong answer. Okay, and right now we should see our leaderboard. Guys, don't be sad if you have not the score that you expected, because in further we have 25 questions and you can improve your situation. Okay, let's move to the next 5 questions. 6. What is base for the testing pyramid of automation? Okay, unit test, GUI test, integration test, end-to-end testing. Sorry. I think everybody you know. Do you remember this big pyramid? And in the bottom you can see, and right now we will see what exactly you think we will see. Unit test. Okay, yes, great, guys. It's really good answer. 34 people told that unit test. You are working good. Your answer is great. Okay, let's go to the next question. And next question will be a little bit. A/B testing is alpha beta testing, testing before after release, compare testing, testing made by QA and user. I vote for the that's really interesting. In comparative testing, where is the B letter? That's really interesting answer. Wow, guys, comparative testing, you're right. So many people answered right on this question. I am impressed, because I also answered that alpha and beta testing. Guys, you are working amazing. The next question. Okay. I need to remember my basis, because I answer wrong on this question. What testing type does not exist? Sanity, severity, smoke, security. It's really similar words, but I know the correct answer. Let's take a look what you got. Okay, severity, and you're right. Only 2% answer with the wrong question, but it's okay. Sometimes a mistake happen. Let's move to the next question. Question 9. And I remember one more question. What does ROI stands for? Okay, return on iteration, return on investment, responsibility of information, rapid objective, inventorization. Wow. It's really interesting. Guys, yeah, great. I can tell that all people who can answer rapid objective inventorization, that's really great people, because I've never chose such I never heard such term in tested area, but maybe you know something new and you can share with new information with me. Okay, the next question. And I remind you, after this question, we will see the dashboard, the leader dashboard. What does installation testing refers to? Okay, non-functional testing, usability testing, functional testing, accessibility testing, installation testing. It's I think that's regarding some deployment processes or something like that. And we will see the answer. Time up. Okay, right now, what exactly we will see? Non-functional testing, and that is a correct answer. Guys, functional testing, that's not about the installation. Installation, that's not the testing processes. That installation, some kind of deployment. Accessibility testing, that's really funny answer. But let's take a look on our leaders dashboard. Wow, Alexei Verashenin still lead, but the second, third place, a little bit change. Kite become first and Lucy become third. I appreciate Alexei, your leader, you do great work. So let's move to the other questions, other 5 questions, 11 questions. Okay, let's start. What is not related to test design technique? Oh, it's really interesting question. That static analysis of code, equivalence classes, state transition testing, boundary testing. Not related. Please take your attention on the is not related to test design technique. Oh, it's, and most people answer correct. Static analysis of code. Yes, I believe you're right. That's not related with design technique. Okay, next question. The next question will be, so what is not framework? No, everything is working so fast. Protractor, Git, Locus, Selenium. I know the correct answer. I'm going to answer with the correct one. So we expected your variance. Oh, 27 people tell, but guys, Selenium, that is our God. That is GUI of testing. How you can answer that's not a framework? It's really, that make me sad. Sorry. Let's move to the other question. Okay, the next question will be, what tool from the list is not test management system? Okay, take a look. WebStorm, TestRail, Zephyr, TestLink. Do you know? I don't know. I really don't know. So let's see your answer. WebStorm. Yeah, I think the same. Right now, I can tell you that I think the same. Move to another question. 14th question. And I really like this Mentimeter. How is testing called the checkability of a program to recover after failure? Recovery testing, stress testing, reliability testing, security testing. I like this question. It's really interesting question. Recovery after failure. So I think you should know that recovery after failure is recovery testing. Yeah, guys, you do great job. A lot of people, security testing. Yes, that's some kind. You can argue with me and tell there's some kind of security testing, but mostly we call it recovery testing. Sorry. Let's move to another question, 15th question. And I remind you that after this 5th question, we will see the leader dashboard. Spike testing is related to what the security testing, performance testing, stability testing, failover, and recovery testing. Oh, interesting answer. Spike testing is related to, I also want to see want to avoid time up. Go. And performance testing, you know, I really surprised with this. I also think that is some kind of the stability and failover testing. No, I need to repeat my basis. Okay, next move to the 16th question. Leaderboard. Alexei. Alexei, still our lead. The second place, not the second place and third place change. Right now on the second place is SM and on the third place is Yevgen. No, guys, I really appreciate you for your great work. Alexei, you are a leader. I believe we should present you some kind. And if you, by the way, if you will be able to join and tell us a couple of words about you, I will really appreciate you for this actions. Who is responsible for bug priority defining? QA engineers, developers, BI, customer. Priority defining. BI customers. What do you think regarding that? I definitely know the correct answer. And customer, of course, guys, customer. That's for customer really important to see. He understands what bug is important, because sometimes the simple text is more important for customer than the bug of the functionality. The next question will be okay. What is the main question which answered by test strategy? How will product be tested? How to select development model? What will be tested? What amount of budget is needed for a project? I like the last one. But maybe it's correct. I don't know. And we will see. Yeah, a lot of people answer, but I like this person who also answered to the last one, because I think in future the test lead also will work with the some project budget. At least I hope for these changes. Okay, the next, how can glass testing be called in other words? Black box testing, white box testing, gray box testing, unit testing, glass testing. It's really interesting. What do you think regarding that? And we will get the correct answer just right now. That white box testing, and that is a correct answer. I appreciate for great work for these people who answer for that. And move to the other question. Okay, the next question will be, what type of integration testing does not exist? Not exist. Please take your attention. Not exist. Big bang, top down, upside down, bottom up. Not exist. I repeat. And integration testing does not exist. Okay, and right now we will see the correct answer. Big bang, top down, upside down is correct, guys. It's really interesting question. I also answer incorrect, but anyway. Okay, we move to the next question, and after this question we will see our result, the dashboard. I don't tell you how it's called in this application, because it's shame for me. I answer a lot of wrong time. So server-side error code is 302, 401, 502, and 201. Yeah, the 500 all error from the which start from the 500. This is server error, and we will see the leaderboard. And Alexei, you still on the lead position. It's great. And the second place right now moved to Yevgen. And the third place right now moved to SM. Guys, you have 5 last questions. Please be patient, because that's the last chance to change the situation. No, I'm sorry. Last 10 questions. Next 5 question. What testing type list below is functional? Okay. Usability, regression, documentation, and performance testing. What do you think? Maybe documentation or maybe regression? Performance testing can be also, I don't know. So, and correct answer, regression testing, and that is the correct answer. Great, a lot of people, most people answer this correct answer. So, move to other question. Question 22. And we will see what testing type listed below is not related to performance testing. I repeat, not related. Capacity, volume, spike, operational. Not related. Please take your attention, that's not related. Capacity, volume, spike, and operational. What do you think? And we will see operational testing is correct answer, and most of us also answer with the correct. But frankly speaking, I answered with the wrong answer. I thought that is spike testing. Okay, let's move to the next question, question 23. And question appears, what is not testing criteria? Oh, it's really, I like this question. I like testing criteria. Entry, exit, rejected, acceptance. Not testing criteria. Guys, not testing criteria. Remember, take your attention. And we will see the answer. Rejected, 25 people. And that's wrong. That's correct answer. You're right. Thank you. I really appreciate for your great job. It's really great. I believe that we have right now very skilled specialists. And 24th answer, or sorry, 24th question. Which SQL statement is used for extract data from the database? Select unique, select identity, select different, select distinct. Used to extract data from data house. Okay. What do you think? And select distinct. Yep. And the most people answer correctly. Great job, guys. And the last question in this this bench of questions, 25th question, and after this question, we will see the leaderboard. What is the main responsibility of a tester in Scrum? Create a test scenario and test cases. Yes, maybe. Finding bug, perform testing of stories, including into sprint. There is no tester role in Scrum. You know, that really confused me. Time up. And what is the correct answer? Wow, wow, 15-15. That was tricky. That was intriguing, guys. You did a great job. But anyway, yeah, you're right. There is no tester role in Scrum. Yeah, because that's cross-functional work. Every person should be able to develop and test at the same time. And our leader dashboard. Alexei, I believe you're still in the leader position. Please join to us. And no, Alexei, you move on the second place. I'm sorry. But SM, my appreciate for your great job, my celebration. You right now on the first place. So you know we see battle between Alexei and SM. SM, if you don't mind, could you please and our discard your real name, because I really interested who are you. And move to the next 5 last question. That's question regarding automation testing. Please take your attention for that. And what vegetables is most popular in the automation testing? Potato, tomato, avocado, cucumber. What do you think? It's really tricky question. I think maybe it's avocado. It's really tasty. I like the salad with avocado. Wow, guys, cucumber. Yeah, you're right. That's term from the BDD. You know, that's from BDD framework. Cucumber. I think, I don't think that exists person who never heard about this BDD framework. Question 27. Okay, the question. What does PO mean in automation testing? Means page object model, page object methodology, paging object model, and project object model. I think it's a question for your attention. Please read really carefully the answers. And right now, time. Yeah, you're right. It's page object model. Great. Because you see methodology, page object methodology, a packaging object model, that's also wrong. And project object model, that's also wrong. Okay, guys, move to the next question. Okay, 28th question. And what is a difference in hard and soft assert? Hard assert, stop testing after error, and soft assert, continuous testing. Soft assert, stop testing after errors. Hard assert, continue testing, stop assert, and hard assert, stop testing after error. Both, and both continue testing. And right now we will see. Yeah, great. Hard assert definitely stop testing after errors, and only soft assert continue testing after errors. So guys, great job. Thanks. I really appreciate for your attention and for that you take part in our quiz. So move to the next question. Last question. The time was so. What is the pre-last question. What is the keyword for the validation if automation testing? Accept, assert, validate, test. What do you think? The time moves so quickly. We will see the last question after that question. Accept, assert, validate, test. Guys, you're right. Assert. We have the assert library. We assert when we compare to result. Yeah, you're right. 19 people answer with the correct variant. So move to the last question. After this question, we will see our leader dashboard, and we will celebrate and appreciate for the people who will take first, second, and third place. What does 480 error code mean? I'm a T-port, forbidden, payment required, request timeout. What do you think? I know the correct answer. And timeout, yeah. I'm T-port, guys. It's really funny error code, and I think everybody should know this code because this code is famous. You can find even in the Wikipedia this funny error code. And right now, the situation will change. Alexei, wow, my appreciation. You did really great job. You are leader, and if it's possible, I would ask you to join to the Discord for our face-to-face and tell a couple words about you. If not possible, it's also okay. But you see, right now you are a winner. So thank you guys for your attention. Thank you, you took part in our quiz. I hope we will provide a lot of quiz and a lot of funny quiz, and you will enjoy this time with us. I wish you a great evening, and I wish you have a wonderful rest of this week. I hope you enjoy our QA-Z community day, and I believe that you will join for our next event, and will enjoy and will join to our community. Thank you for your attention, and thank you for taking part in this quiz. Bye.
Thank last name and email addresses, so we can communicate to you and provide information about how you can get your prizes. You can do it directly in ComZ, Community Z platform, in chat. So yes, we're waiting for this information.
I monitor the chat and Discord, I mean, and if you